In today's video, I'm reviewing mSpy, a family control app designed to help monitor and track your loved one's phone activities. Whether you're a parent trying to ensure your child's safety or someone who wants to keep an eye on another device, mSpy claims to offer everything you need. I spent some time using this app, and I'll share my honest experience with you. To get started, mSpy offers a wide range of monitoring features. It allows you to track text messages, call logs, GPS locations, social media activity, and even app usage. It's available for both Android and iOS devices, so the scope of this app is quite impressive. Setting up mSpy was relatively straightforward, but be aware that some features require jailbreaking or rooting the phone. This may not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're concerned about voiding warranties or breaking the device's security. Once mSpy was set up on the phone, I tested its core features. The text message tracking worked well, and it successfully captured both incoming and outgoing messages. Call logs were also accurately tracked, which is important if you're trying to monitor someone's communication. GPS tracking was surprisingly accurate, and I could follow the phone's location in real time. Are you sure your phone is really yours? CloudGuard helps you uncover the truth, safeguard your data, and sleep easy. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. On the downside, there were a few issues with the app. The iOS version of mSpy didn't offer as much flexibility as the Android one. Some features, such as social media tracking and app blocking, were only available on Android. Also, the user interface could be improved. It's a bit outdated, and navigating the app wasn't as intuitive as I'd hoped. Additionally, the subscription fees for mSpy can be on the pricier side, especially if you're looking for a long-term plan. It's important to note that mSpy's customer support, while responsive, could be better in terms of providing detailed solutions. Overall, mSpy offers a comprehensive set of tools for phone monitoring, and it's one of the better-known apps in the market for family control. However, it comes with a few limitations, especially for iOS users. If you're looking for an app that provides thorough tracking capabilities, and you're willing to work around its quirks, mSpy may be a good choice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments below.